You're over 60, and lately you wake up feeling weaker, less energy, maybe noticing things down there aren't as firm. Don't assume that's just age. What if one simple spoonful of the right food before bed could help reverse that decline while you sleep? Tonight, you'll learn exactly which foods to eat before bed and how they support circulation, testosterone, muscle repair, and vitality, especially for men over 60. No supplements or gimmicks, just food. Let's get started. As men age, nitric oxide drops, arteries stiffen, testosterone falls, and recovery slows. These changes reduce blood flow, especially down there. Nighttime is when the body heals. Growth hormone is released, tissues repair, nerves reset. But for this to happen, your body needs certain nutrients. Going to bed hungry, inflamed, with low protein or unstable blood sugar sabotages blood flow and hormone production. The goal is to supply what your body most needs before sleep in a form it can use overnight. 1 spoon means a small amount of the right food, nutrient-rich, easy to digest, ideally with protein, healthy fats, and something to support nitric oxide and hormones. Consistency matters. Doing this nightly is what brings results. Here are specific foods that work especially well at night. 1. Soft-boiled or poached eggs. High in leucine, vitamin D, and B12. Eat 1 to 2 eggs about an hour before bed for steady overnight amino acids. 2. Almond butter, healthy fats, magnesium, arginine, boosts nitric oxide, helps hormone production, blood sugar stability. Eat solo or with a little whole grain bread. 3. Tart cherry juice. Natural melatonin for better sleep. Anthocyanins reduce inflammation and support nitric oxide. Drink half a cup or less about 30 minutes before bed. 4. Pumpkin seeds, zinc, magnesium, tryptophan, and phytosterols. Supports testosterone, vessel relaxation, and fewer night bathroom trips. Eat 1 to 2 tablespoons raw, plain, or with fruit. 5. Greek yogurt, whey and casein protein for steady recovery. Add berries or cinnamon for blood sugar control and antioxidants. 6. Cottage cheese, rich in casein and leucine. Soft texture, contains calcium for vessel relaxation and blood pressure control. 7. Night repair shake, optional. Combine whey protein, plus collagen peptides, plus leucine, plus almond milk. Ideal if other foods aren't enough or muscle loss is a concern. Choose 1 or 2 of the above foods each night. Rotate them so you get variety. Best window, about 45 minutes to 90 minutes before going to sleep. This gives time to digest without lying down with a very full stomach. Stay hydrated, but avoid heavy meals or high-sugar, starch snacks right before bed. Those cause blood sugar crashes, inflammation, and interfere with nitric oxide and circulation. Also support the physical side. Gentle movement during the day, walking, light resistance. Avoid smoking, manage stress. These amplify the benefits of the food. What to expect? 7 nights. Improved sleep depth, fewer awakenings, feeling more rested in the morning. Perhaps a small improvement in firmness or blood flow down there. 14 nights. More consistent morning firmness, more energy during the day, better mood, possibly fewer nighttime bathroom trips. 30 nights. Notable improvement in stamina, more strength, and performance noticeably better. Overall feeling of being more alive, more confident. Avoid foods heavy in sugar or pure carbs just before bed. These spike insulin, cause inflammation, hurt nitric oxide levels. Limit alcohol, avoid caffeine late in the day. These interfere with both sleep and vascular repair. If you take medications or have health issues, heart disease, kidney issues, etc., check with a healthcare provider. Some foods or shakes may need adjusting. Maintain other healthy habits. Regular physical activity, even walking. Maintaining lean muscle mass. Keeping body weight in healthy range. Managing stress and sleep environment. Cool, dark, comfortable. You don't have to accept decline as inevitable. 1 spoon of the right food before bed, yes, just something simple, consistent, can send the signal to your body. Heal, repair, restore. It's never too late. Age doesn't seal your fate. You have the power through what you give your body to restore blood flow, strength, and feeling.